Good morning, good morning. What's up, everybody? Alright, let's get straight into it. I see the 4 hour setting up already. So we'll go from the daily here on gold. Alright, very strong bearish candle closure on the daily. We are starting to move into, or we've already reacted to 1735, which was my target for yesterday basically. Are some troublesome areas still around here, 1735. Based off the daily, if we see this daily candle flip, we could potentially see this wick being filled. Now what I was thinking was, if we go back to the 4 hour, was this week for us to fill this range right here. But I said yesterday on stream that I don't think we would fill this entire range without a catalyst. Now tomorrow we have FOMC meeting minutes. Alright, we've already had some hawkish Fed speakers throughout the week, causing us to continue down here on gold. We've seen some more dollar strength, but in order for us to fill this whole range to the left, we're gonna need a catalyst. So I believe that we'll only really see this move tomorrow. For now, price is just in a range here, but we've got this bearish 4 hour candle closure. 30 minutes closed below most recent support. Alright, we had a support right here. And then this range is just clear as day. Your previous 30-minute candle here, I see it's got a baby wick. I thought it never had a wick, but we could still come up, see us retest that previous 30-minute high, and then see us flip on this candle. If that's the case, I'll take flip entries. Otherwise, I'll be looking at entries on the break of the low of this previous 30-minute, stops above previous 30-minute for 30 pips, go break even as we fill this range, and then looking to target basically the lows of yesterday. What's up, guys? Reese and Reese. What's up, David? What's up, Wayne? Golden. I'll be back right now. Alright, so we have reacted to that previous support right there. I think flip entries will be good here, guys. So I'm going to have a sell stop on the break of the current 30-minute low. $17.41.550. By the way, GJ, to me GJ doesn't look all that clean. We'll have a look at it shortly. Stops above the previous 30-minute. Let's call it 25 pips at 1744.50. I think I'm a retard this morning. Wondering why my stop loss looks so big here. 1744.050 stops. Am I entering? No, I've just got sell stops here on the break of the lows. Or, yeah, break of current candle lows. $17.41.3. No, wait, I've got it at 17.41.50 flat. 17.41.50. Already got confirmations. We just need my entry confirmations, which would be the flip of this current candle, and then I'll be triggered in. So we've already got a 4-hour bearish candle closure here, respecting this resistance. Looks like a fake out on the hourly maybe. But anyway, your daily is also bearish. Daily looks good here to potentially flip and fill the wick of yesterday. And on the 30 minutes, we've got that support, which we've closed below. Now we've got a nice top wick on the new 4-hour candle. Alright, so looking really good here. GJ. So I did update you guys on the Discord. TP was hit here for 85 pips on GJ yesterday. are still bullish on GJ based off the daily. I see us potentially moving up into 168,800 today. News-wise, nothing too crazy. Got a lot of Fed speakers later on, just be aware of that. Alright, so if we look into the left, we can see that we have now reacted to a previous resistance. I would like to see us close above here, 168,285. You know, right now it looks like we are forming a support. We could potentially move up from the support, but this price action is just too messy for my liking. I'm not taking any chances here. Your 4 hour is bearish. Alright, one bearish candle does not mean too much. As we can see yesterday, we had this bearish candle here, and we just carried on with the overall bullish trend. We are still bullish here. Alright, so buys still make the most sense, but for the safest or highest probability trades, I'm going to need to see us break above 168,285. Hourly, we could even close above 168,200. Yeah, if we could get an hourly candle closure above there, 168,200, that could work too. What's up, Chad? Expecting gold to go up in London to 1747. Chad, I think you've been doing too much SMC, bro. When we sell, does spread matter? No. When setting a sell stop, spread doesn't matter. So you can just put it right on the break of the low. I always give it like half a pip. But when we placing a buy stop, you do want to account for spread, because that's where spread can trigger you in. So you want your buy stop to be however many pips your spread is. So if your spread, for instance, is, let's say, floating between 1.5 and 2.5 pips, I'll give it 3 pips. So I always just round it up. Looks like we're about to get triggered in here. My stop loss is at 1747.50 for 25 pips. And I'm in here. Sell stops have been activated. Final targets for me will be the daily lows. Alright. I'll be looking to go break even at about 15 pips. Wayne, don't worry. I only learned that this year. Oh, Shaker, yeah, I saw that on your Instagram yesterday. That's cute, man. I will sell at good levels or don't sell at all. All about perspective. To me, this is an amazing level to be selling. I've become a lot more selective with my trades. So to be taking a trade 20 minutes into stream, just know that I like this setup a lot. Yeah, break-even point can be at 1740. The psychological level makes a lot of sense. For 15 pips. Shaker, I haven't had a look at the Discord since I've woken up. I woke up quite late today. I didn't have a good sleep last night. Wayne says charts at Discord look good. Shaker, your charts always look good, bro. What's up, Jay Smith? Jay Smith, where's your friend Stev? So the flip entry is a little bit more aggressive than break of previous candle lows. But I think it was necessary. That gives us about a 5 pip advantage. So our break-even point is now 15 pips away instead of 10 pips. Which means that this trade has more potential of running to targets here. But once we break that low, that's going to be our last real confirmation. And I believe once we break that low, we should see a nice push here pre-London. Do those before Asian. Yeah, Asian session for me is 3:30. No, sorry, 3 a.m. How about the tax in your country? My accountant's pretty good. I haven't paid too much tax. Less than 10%. But yeah, I mean, I'm assuming you're asking for interest's sake. But if you're wanting to know anything about tax, you're gonna have to go to someone who deals with that professionally. Obviously, I can't really give you any real advice when it comes to tax. Hey bro, how's it going? Good man. I'm a bit new to this strat, but basically if this 30-minute respects low, it's not a good sign, right? Not necessarily if it doesn't respect the low, but if it breaks, if it starts to break highs here, that means that okay, price is going against us. So that would not be good. Can you look at NAS 100? Jay Smith, you can send a chart to the Discord. Just focusing on these gold sales right now. Can have a brief look at it. Still got those buys in from the evening stream Monday last week. Yeah, equities and gold are kind of moving in confluence since we've had a more hawkish Fed the past couple days. So I believe we'll move back down into these lows sometime today. Gold breaking previous 30-minute lows. Now we just need to break those previous hourly lows right there. Pushing. Today I'm in opposite trade right now. Gold man. Why would you do that to me, bro? Long GJ still 100%. GBPJPY. I'll hop on now, Nico. GJ, here's my analysis. Looking for bars above 168.200 and 168.285. Those are going to be the cleanest setups for me. We are forming support right now, but this range is just not that great. I'd rather wait for us to break above these levels, because we could always pull back deeper, retest, you know, 167, 600. So I'd either want to see a deeper pullback here or bars above resistance. Breaking hourly lows looks really good here. Yeah, stream might be done within the next 30 minutes. Good morning.
What's up?
How are you?
Calling yourself?
I'm alright here.
What's up? Sorry, I was muted the YouTube.
No, I'm alright. I just woke up quite late, man.
Even me, bro. This
Sure.
weather change is so comfortable.
Yeah. What was I gonna say now? Oh, yeah, chat. Just let me know if the volume is alright. I'm
What's up, chat?
adjusting just my mic volume.
And don't worry, you just have to deal with this shit mark of mine for like a few more days.
Oh yeah, it should be coming tomorrow.
Wouldn't know. Is it coming to my house?
Nah, it's gonna come to me.
Oh, wait.
I didn't know your address and it was meant to be a surprise, so
I don't know, because Jared asked for my address, so I gave it to him. That's what I'm
Oh.
asking. But no, this trade needs to run like 70 pips, bro. Can you just make it happen for me, please?
Not your birthday anymore, okay?
No, I don't care, bro. You're just blessing me out here. Give me 70 pips, so...
I
You know, I went
mean,
to go...
it's possible. Yeah, maybe. Chad says, give us your address, Nico. From where to start learning Forex, your recommendation. Okay, you need to have the basics down. You need to understand the lingo. So babypips.com is going to help you to understand the basics, alright? It's a free website. I'm going to be real. I do have a course up, but my website is down currently, which will be up 1st of December, alright? That's also just a crash course, but really nice and streamlined. Since Baby Pips, you know, there's some things in Baby Pips that you don't need. And you don't know what you don't need if you're a beginner. But go through Baby Pips, learn the basics, and then come back to the live stream and see what I'm doing. Otherwise, there is plenty of stuff on YouTube. There's plenty of people on YouTube, plenty of value. But you just need to be careful because there's also a lot of bullshit. So, as a beginner, sometimes you don't know how to differentiate between, you know, what is actually, you know, good and what is bad. But first things first, like I say, Baby Pips, go get the basics down. How much is my course? 1,500 Rand. Just shy of $100. Don't trade patterns and stuff. Zones are okay. Yeah, with regards to that, you can also have a look at my most recent YouTube video where I'm talking about technical analysis and basically what Chad is referring to there.
Yo, Con.
What up?
Oh, wait, so you can hear me. No, my Wi-Fi took a dip. I have to come on data. I don't know. My Wi-Fi seemed bugged. What was I going to say? Oh, did you say anything after I said I went to go play golf with Dylan? Because it went mute after that for me.
Oh, nah, I didn't even hear that. When did you go?
Yesterday, I was going to ask you to come, but you said you have something to do with your sister or something, so I just lost because it was all rushed, basically.
Yeah.
It was all rushed, but yeah.
Did you go to Python Park or?
Yeah, I went to Python again because Dylan wanted to play, but he couldn't join us yesterday, like the day before yesterday. And then he was like, okay, fuck it, let's go yesterday. Then we went. He beat me by 1, but that last hole, bro, fuck me. The last hole, so he played 5 less than me on the last hole. So if I just played better, they would have won because he won me by 1.
Oh shit.
Yeah, so last hole fucked me, but I didn't lose a ball up until last hole because of that fucking pond.
And what is your final score?
52. His was 51.
Okay.
Yeah. Nah, but I could have played 10 times better, bro. Fuck. I'm gutted, dude. Because I had 2 holes I fucked up on. I also would have played like, I think I would have played about 10 to 12 over par if I didn't fuck up on those 2 holes. If I played those 2 holes like 4, like maybe par or maybe just 1 over par, then I would have played like 10 to 12 over par overall. But I fucked up on 2 holes that fucked my score completely.
Dude, it's so hectic to think. Fabio says that's good for a beginner.
Bro, but I can't play 2 games in a row, dude. Like, I can't play 2 days of golf in a row. My fucking body, my back is so sore, and my finger from holding the club the certain way, and the glove's like chafing my finger when I cross to hold the club.
I was wondering why my thumb was sore this morning.
That's annoying, dude. So now when I was playing 2 games, now when I played again yesterday, I felt it so much more that eventually, like after a couple of holes, I was loosening my grip, and then I was pulling my shots, dude. So like I know it was kind of my fault too for starting. Like I started off well, and then I started playing shit because of my hand. Well, I don't want to say just because of my hand, but like I feel like that had some play in it because I was loosening my grip on the stick, and then yeah, I don't think that's too wise.
How much was I over the other day? By like 11.
No, it's 27 is for par, dude.
Or was it,
So you,
or was
yeah,
it
it's
21?
27. It's 21, I think.
I was 21 over.
Yeah. How many balls did you lose?
1.
Yeah, so you 23 over basically. If you wanna go by
Oh yeah. By the normal rules. Not our fake rules.
the book, and we need to go by the book. We can't start off by cheating with fucking Carl and them's rules. Where's Carl? Is Carl in the chat? He's
Nah.
duck rules, teaching us the wrong way. We're pro golfers here now. Chatting here.
Okay, we've closed
Carl
bullish at entry
spelling-
here on the 5 minutes.
us when we drop the ball, it's not +1. Yes, because I can't see. I'm on data. And the next 5 minutes gonna push down, close down there again.
Yeah, but just need to be careful here. That 5 minutes, I don't really like it.
Yeah, I mean, Akon, you know what I'm doing today with trading wise?
What's it?
Just yes or no? I'm asking, do you know what I'm doing? You don't, eh?
What are you doing?
I don't want to just say it, dude. I can't just say it. That's the thing.
And why you bring it up?
I don't want to say it on stream because I just thought about it now. If I say it, it's gonna be like, cuck. I don't mind saying it. I'll say it. Like it's not a good thing
Go pause to the
for
wall.
traders to hear. Yes, sir.
Alright guys, I want to see how this 15-minute candle is closing. I need this candle to close slightly stronger bearish and
If this
definitely
trade-
not bullish.
Yo,
If
bro,
it
let me
closes
not say-
bullish, I will manage risk at that point. Because it's setting up here quite nicely to drive down. But if we get a bullish candle closure, then you know we could potentially be forming support right here. And then I just want to make sure that I'm managing my risk correctly.
We were 3 pips off the place.
Hey?
Do you also have
Oh my
a
god.
40.5 marked as a level to be broken? What?
40.5.
What happened?
No, your mark. Or I don't think it's your mark. I think it's your signal.
No, wait. Might be my signal because I'm on data, and like I said, the weather's must cuck, obviously. So.
Yeah, I was looking at 40.5.
Can you?
I can.
Can you hear me clearly though?
Yeah, but
Okay.
it's like breaking up now and then. Potato mark,
Sorry.
Chad says. Oh my fuck.
It's not potato mark, it's potato signal. I wanted to say Wi-Fi, but I'm not even on my Wi-Fi. Chad, do you even have Wi-Fi there by you? Huh? I'm talking cack.
Obviously it does.
Obviously,
2022,
bro. I'm
man.
just teasing. What if he lives in like the lollies, bro?
The lollies.
Sitting there. No, I don't have. Fuck.
Chad, show us your house. Send it on Discord.
Chad said he's from a wealthy family, bro. He said he was blessed enough to come from a wealthy family. That's why he can do what he chooses to do now, in a sense. Say something along those lines.
McDonald's connection.
No, this is working. Bro, McDonald's is better than this, bro. 100%. What happened when you walked across the street yesterday? Anything or not?
Nah, there's no there.
Wanna burn it down?
Nah. I'll tell you later.
I know a guy. Just let me know.
Nah, I did something so rude.
Oh fuck. Okay. Oh yeah. Another thing, Con. If we do our license for guns, Dylan said we mustn't just do like your handgun competent.
Yeah, I got
Yeah.
everything except
Yeah.
automatic, basically.
Well, we're not gonna walk around or drive around shooting AK-47s out the window, bro. In the air.
You need to you need to be a member of a shooting club. Like it's for
I know,
sports only.
I know,
So
I know,
you
dude.
need,
It's fucking so. But you know what you can do?
yeah.
You can on a full auto, you can put a stock on that makes it shoot like like a burst, but it's not shooting at a burst. It just sounds like that, and then
Yeah.
it's legal. Then you can have it.
Semi-auto. Yeah,
No,
but it's still for sports shooting only.
no. Dylan explained to me you get a stock you can put on those guns, and then you're
Oh,
allowed to have it because it doesn't shoot at a full auto thing or capacity or whatever.
yeah, I sussed that stock.
Yeah, but one flip, and I mean it's full auto anyway, so fuck it.
8 seconds, yeah. How are we gonna close on this 15?
But yeah, Dylan, I told Dylan
Like a
about you.
puss.
Like a puss. I told Dylan about you, and Dylan said, "Yeah, I must just remind you to do all the like rifle and handgun, so you don't have to go do it all later on because you wait cock long for it."
Oh, yeah, shot. Yeah, I got rifle, handgun, shotgun. Okay, guys. Let's see. I'm gonna manage risk if we break previous 15-minute highs. It's not too much of a difference here. We open up, push straight down. That could just be a bottom wick to drive up. But let's see. 1 minute here looks like we may just continue down. But yeah, if we break previous 15-minute highs, I may just close full, to be honest.
Wow, you're not locking the lower time frame. Higher time frame looks clean as fuck, dude. This candle is just very still. It would be better, but I get what you're saying.
Closing full here, guys. So close full as we broke that previous 15. So negative 3 pips.
Are you gymming today?
Nah. Taking it easy, dude.
What?
Nico, shut up.
No. Fuck
I'm not
you.
gymming today.
You went to the
injured.
sauna. I don't give a fuck. You went to the gym yesterday or the day
Exact.
before to sauna. Why can't you come sauna with me? What bullshit is this?
Look at this thing playing out now.
Yeah, so
On the 30 minutes, it's valid still. Maybe I should have held, but you know, this 15 minutes closing, we've already rejected this area once. Right here. Looking on the 1 minute, this is like a double bottom almost. So yeah, I just want to be careful here. We also have FOMC meeting minutes tomorrow. So we may see some ranging, we may see some low volume today. Which I'm already seeing now. I mean, the setup is pretty good. We've got clean traffic to the left. With volume, we should be filling this range. Clearly, right now we just don't have enough volume. So just managing risk. GJ, as you can see, this hourly's flipped bearish now. So that support definitely wouldn't have been a good idea to be taking buys within this range. Where's the deadlift guy? That's Stev. I haven't seen Stev in a minute.
I thought I was talking about Jared because Jared posted deadlifting yesterday. I think he's talking about Jared.
Oh, maybe he's talking about Jared. Morning, Vince. What's up? That RBR on the left on gold, things might get kinky. Got no idea what you're talking about. GJ is still waiting for the same setups here, so no rush on GJ. Buys above 168.200 and buys above 168.285. Gold, we'll see how this hourly candle closes. If we close bearish, next hourly breaks the low, we should still come down and fill this range. Could be small demand to push up. Yeah, I mean, I could see this right here. So yeah, we reacted to that previous level there. And that's partly why I've managed risk here. Well, I've closed full. So if price sets up again, you know, that previous trade minus 3 pips is basically nothing. So we can just try again. If we had taken a full stop here, you know, then they would, for me, I would call it a day. But right now, you know, not even down 0.2%, down like 0.1%. So plenty of bullets still left in the chamber, and we're just gonna wait here for the hourly candle closure.
Connor, what's our rule with if we in a trade and it hit? Oh wait, no, never fucking mind. It's not London Open coming up.
And it comes to London Open.
Yeah, if we have a trade in running.
I've got no set rule, but I do want to be up. I want to be break even by London Open.
And if we're not?
And if I'm not, then I'll probably manage risk. Unless it's looking like it will still play out.
So like a minute before London Open, we manage risk type of thing.
It depends on the situation. Like the other day, I was in GJ. Was it yesterday's trade? Yeah, I think it was yesterday.
It was yesterday, yeah.
Yeah, I mean, it was basically at my entries, or just below. London Open, but it was still looking good on the 30 minutes and 15.
What trade did we take where we said London Open's coming up, we deleted the bar stop and then we entered the bar stop again because we agreed to just do it? Was that the GJ trade we lost that still played out?
I think it was on Friday, yeah. But I managed risk too soon and then it ended up playing out. Where was it?
It was that trade, eh? Yeah, okay. No, I was just curious to wait.
No, it wasn't. I don't know when it was. I remember that though.
No. We never took it. It never activated. That's why. It was the break of the highs on the GJ thing, and then it only played out in New York, remember?
Oh, yes.
It was that. We never got triggered in on that trade. We said we're going to leave. That's why.
I remember that. It was, yeah, on the break of these highs. And it played out during Asian, that trade.
I just remember it played out after, like, it didn't play out in our session. No. You're talking about the one Friday news. We talking about a different trade that never got triggered in.
Why not wait for it to break previous lows, then to drive down? What do you mean?
Yeah, but you are speaking about the trade Friday news. We know what trade you're talking about. By the way, shot for trying to remind us. And then, yeah, Wayne, dude, like, Jared deadlifts heavy, dude. Like, fuck knows how, because he's so smart, but he deadlifts. So, there's a time Jared was deadlifting, like, fuck, dude. Like,
Dude,
I promise you, like, every second or third day that man was deadlifting. And I don't know how your back is strong enough to deadlift, like, every second or third day. My back
no,
would be
listen,
awesome.
I don't know
My back
either.
would be fucking... He deadlifts very clean, though. Did you see his video?
Yeah, I
Deadlifts very
did.
fucking... It's very clean deadlifting, but it's not... Deadlifting is not for me, bro. Fuck, bro. We can't even go... Yo, that's so cock, no? Remember you said you wanted to deadlift so that, like, if you can deadlift a heavy weight and all that shit you were saying. Now I can't even deadlift. It's fine, bro. I'll support you. I'll help you take the weights off. Go.
I also can't deadlift right now. My back, dude.
What? No, man, not
I'm injured. I'm in shambles here.
Why's your back?
DXY still looks bullish. Looked like we were flipping bullish here on the hourly for a second. Because yeah, if we flip bullish on the hourly, then I'm just gonna have to wait for London Open probably.
You know what I don't really want to see?
What?
In the last, like, couple of minutes, this thing runs down, and then it's gonna turn, next candle's gonna open that hour, and it's gonna probably make a wick all the way up to my stop.
Are you still in?
Stop... Yeah, dude, I'm still holding, bro. I told you both were war, my friend.
Yeah.
So that's...
I mean, it looks clean on the hourly. I just don't want to be taking any chances with meeting minutes tomorrow. I'll stream tomorrow evening for FOMC meeting minutes, so just want to make sure that I'm not taking, losses before the time.
I'll probably be trading on my live for that, so that's the difference. Thus, I'm not worried about now.
Yeah.
Which is the wrong way to just look at it, but it's fuck it now. I'm over it.
Yeah, Chad, I've been giving some thought to these funded accounts. And like I've said many times, they take advantage of human psychology. And it can be very draining at times. So I've started myself a live account. And from the beginning of next year, what I'll do is I'll actually trade that live account on stream. I'll get MetaTrader set up on my laptop, and we'll do the MetaTrader on stream.
I see what you're saying. That'll be dope. Then people can actually see the money you're making. Yeah. Man's got some Buka Wunas on him next year.
Nah. I mean, it's not going to be as big as the funded accounts you guys have seen in the past, but yeah.
Everything is yours though, and all the money in there is yours too. So it doesn't matter. Yeah. Next year, I want the funded accounts to make me more money that I want to be making from a funded account. And then I'll also look to going fully live as well. Hopefully by the end of next year, Con.
By the end of next year? Oh, fully live. Yeah, I hear you.
Fully live, yeah. What would you say? It took you, what? 8-9 months?
Yeah.
To go live. Not fully live, but you can if you want to with that account.
I mean, I could have gone live in like Jan, but I was like, I kept wanting that profit that I got in January.
No,
So...
you could have. Not off first big payment. No. Can't do it off the first one. That's what I said, end of next year. Because I do plan on taking the payout way before the end of next year. That's big enough to go live, but I just feel like end of next year will be it, not now.
Yeah.
You see, now this candle's doing what I said it's going to do in the last minutes. No, I don't like it because next candle's going to be a doers.
I think it'll be fun. I think you'll get to break
If it
even.
breaks
Yeah.
50, if it breaks 50, then I'll be happy. But
As long as it's got a bottom wick, you'll be fine.
we learned that the hard way.
Yes. I mean, Shatus is still looking pretty good. So if you're still in here, still be managing it the same way, going break even at 1740, securing profit here or securing partials at 1739.250.
Well, I know this is like I can't ask this because it won't make sense. But do you think this next candle's wick will match that previous wick if it had to go up?
Nah, I don't know.
Like if it had to go up before coming down, do you think it will match the wick or like be
What
smaller?
do you mean match? Like go all the way back up to the previous candle wick?
Not all the way, but like right there. Like that candle wick says 43. Do you think this current candle will go 42.80, 42.70? Just for a wick.
That's very difficult to say.
That's
I
what
would say as long as we respect that previous 30-minute high, I would be okay. So if we break that previous 30-minute high, then you may have problems. But I mean, price can do whatever it wants up until then.
Of course, but the reason I'm asking is because there's not more room than that.
No, Nico, I can't. I mean, if it flips now, it could definitely form a steeper top again. Off the hourly, we could even retest 1742, to be honest. But I wouldn't really want to see that. I would have wanted to manage risk by then already.
Do you see that 30 minutes got a top week, man? That's all we needed. Now we're gonna drop.
It broke the lows immediately. It looks like it wanted to come back and create a steeper top wick.
And it never broke low. Did it break low?
Yeah.
It's like one pip off you.
Open and push straight down.
Oh, you mean, okay, that low. Sorry, I thought you meant like the low to the left, not the previous. There's like one pip it needs to break. You see that, and then it will run. Then it should run, I should say.
Where the hell is London volume? Well, this is still pre-London. We've got an hour until London Open. London Open, I feel, could bring us some pullback here with the way things are looking now. What did I say yesterday, chat? Yesterday with those gold sales. Right, so I got out at break even, and then we did run down for the rest of the day. But I was saying, with the way things are looking, we'll most likely retrace later on and set up for better sales. So if you took that idea and you were looking at, some of these areas, could have potentially took advantage of that idea. We actually ended up having a really nice move during London here, and then between like Asian close and New York Open, we just retraced. New York Open took us straight back down all the way to our targets for the day, 1735. GJ looking nice on the support on the 15-minute. Still respecting 167.950. But I'll need to see us break above the highs here to be taking pies. Am I still in? No, I'm not in. I closed at negative 3 pips, Wayne. When this 15 closed bullish and we broke the high right there, I closed full. Like 2.5, 3 pips. Yeah, we need to be aware of what's holding the most weight. So tomorrow, like I say, FOMC meeting minutes, very important. That should be a catalyst for gold to do its thing here. So today, we may just see further ranging. You can already see here on the 4-hour, we are in some sort of range. Alright. I think my targets that I gave for the week on the Discord were 1726 and then 1707. So to see this range being filled here, as discussed yesterday, we would need a catalyst to see it just completely filled. Otherwise we would just see price trickling down. So if FOMC meeting minutes, there we go. As Forex Factory says, if they are more hawkish than expected, it's good for the dollar. So far we have had some Fed speakers this week. They've all been, for the most part, quite hawkish. So we've already seen dollar strength coming through this week. But like I say, FOMC should be the, FOMC meeting minutes should be the catalyst. And we may just have further ranging today. So I'm being very selective with my trades, and this just wasn't pushing how I expected, so I managed risk here, negative 3 pips. Should actually update the total pips for the week. Total pips for the week, 82 so far. We took 85 pip GJPYs yesterday, we had to take profit. Plus a break even on gold, and then now today negative 3 pips on gold. Is this the premium version of TradingView? No, it's not. The thing is, I don't really use alerts. You know, sometimes if I'm having a look at both pairs, I will need an alert. So I'll only really need one. Other than that, I don't use any crazy indicators, so I just need the chart really. I don't see the point of paying for this.
There's no point of paying for TradingView unless you want to backtest, in my opinion.
Yeah, that's another thing. Backtesting on TradingView is quite nice. With the premium version, you do get a lot more options.
But if anyone in chat wants to have like 2 weeks where they want to like try better their like setup or their skill, go sign up for the free demo and then backtest your life away. Because if you don't have just the free version, you can't backtest lower time frames. That's the shit part. So
also alerts. You can only have one.
chat, I'm so offended that we said TradingView's backtesting is nice.
Backtesting. Oh yeah, they actually don't form. They just pop in. For backtesting, you can also have a look at what's it called now? Soft for FX. Soft for FX is nice because you just pay once off and then you've got it. Whereas TradingView, I think it's month to month. So yeah, for backtesting, maybe you want to rather have a look at soft for FX. Says he's just sharing his opinion. Hi, it's my first time on the stream. How many trades do you usually take per stream? Most probably won't take more than 2. So I've taken 1 gold sell here today. And to be honest with you, I'm not in a rush to take anything else. Based off the hourly, this range is still clean. We could still potentially fill this range here. 11 pips. Nothing really, you know, insane. That initial trade idea was very nice. Jeez, thank you guys. Thanks for the subs. Appreciate it. That initial trade idea was really nice. We did get into about 10 pips or so of profit. But had to manage risk. We just clearly don't have enough volume, so maybe wait for London Open, which, to be honest, I don't really see the point of waiting for London Open. I've taken 1 trade here today already. Like I say, FOMC meeting minutes tomorrow. I would rather wait for this FOMC meeting minutes tomorrow. So in the morning, tomorrow we've got news for the pound at 11:30, and we've also got a JPY bank holiday. So what I'm thinking is maybe starting stream later tomorrow. I'll start stream at London Open, or 15 minutes before. We can do a quick stream, wait for this news to come out, see how it goes, and then do an evening stream for FOMC meeting minutes. So I'll go live like 30 minutes before meeting minutes. Do you know if you use a broker where TradingView is integrated? I think you can execute directly from TradingView. Yeah, I've seen that. We spoke about that yesterday. Jared was saying that I think there's extra commission or spreads of shit, something like that. So I'm not too phased. I like to keep TradingView just for my analysis. MetaTrader I prefer to execute on.
You must tell the guy that's asking for advice to delete his indicators that he has to the left, because it's probably not candles that he's seeing.
Is this on Discord or what?
No, yeah, hello, I have a question. There are a lot of candles on my chart. How to set them so that there are fewer of them as it is with you? I'm just thinking it's not candles that he's seeing. It's that shit at the bottom when you just open TradingView.
Is it this? Let's see. Sorry, my computer's lagging.
You must just delete the alerts to the left, I think. Top left, there where your thing stands for the XAUUSD thing that you have on your chart.
Yeah.
You just have that thing on. If he's got anything that stands there, must just delete it. Like click the X.
Oh yeah. Yeah, if you have anything, yeah, just delete that. Take off all your indicators. But I think you may be overthinking it. You just got to zoom out and adjust your chart. If you want to see more or less candles, you know, I can see more candles if I just zoom out. I mean, shouldn't really have to explain this.
Maybe he's new to TradingView.
And then zoom in. Pepperstone is the best. Pepperstone is really nice.
They were the best.
Were. Yeah, there's no setting really. Just zooming in. So you can adjust the chart to however you like.
Have you seen what Exynos offers, like when it comes to if you have people sign up underneath?
Yeah, I have.
There's quite a lot of shit you can get.
It's crazy, but it's like the trading volume you need to bring in for them is also
What is trading volume? What do they count as volume?
So if one lot is $100,000 of trading volume, then they want you to put in
so that's
$1 billion of trading volume. Then you need to put in like
that's what it says a few
whatever 10,000 lots or something.
But the fucking rewards though, hey? Yes,
Lambo, luxury watch.
Oh, I saw, bro. Like, it's insane.
Or Ferrari, whatever it was.
I think it's a Maserati, to be honest.
I just saw like a sports car, some luxury car.
I think there's 3 of them you can choose on.
That's sick. And there's also like a trip to wherever of your choice. A trip for 2. That's insane.
Oh, so
Jared's gonna get that soon.
Is he getting paid from Exynos, not from RC?
Nah, I don't know who's getting paid from. Probably RC.
I also think it's RC, maybe.
Yeah, it's you who's paying him.
Oof. So
if gold closes below 1748.90 should be sold. Look, man. We formed a support right here now, okay? So this we could say is support. This range is really clean for about like 10 pips. But is that really enough range to be taking a trade?
Since 1764. My good fuck. Are you buying us the Lambo?
I'm in gold sale since 1764. Should I book now?
Nah, I wouldn't. I would close out some of the position.
Yeah, I would close partials. I mean, if you haven't closed anything, you're still 200 pips up. Close something, and it completely depends on your analysis. If you think price is going back down all the way to these lows at 1618, then sure, hold. But the thing is with gold, you know, oftentimes we see some sort of like double top being formed after these pullback phases. Where's my arrow?
Close another 0.1 and then leave bigger TP.
So we could come back up, retest this area, then go all the way back down. You know, we could still just range in this area until December FOMC, where there we might get some better sell-offs. So yeah, just be aware of the possibilities here. But nice trade, I would definitely secure something.
Yeah, just move your stop loss to 1752 then, bro. And then close out 0.1 and then move your TP down to at least like, what was that range for your week on 1726, yeah? That you said?
Yeah, 1726 is quite a clean area.
There's a TP for you, bro. 1726. Your stop loss is 1752. You're winning all the way, my friend.
We could get like some liquidity grab with or before meeting minutes. So we could get a pull up here before FOMC meeting minutes, and then we could drive down into some of our targets for the week, filling this range.
Don't want to go eat my spur today.
When? For supper?
I don't fucking know when. I don't care. But do you want to?
Yeah, we can.
When? When will you be able to?
Supper sounds good.
Alright,
Because I want
so
to have
for
like a
dinner.
steak or something.
Yeah, me too. I wonder if they still have that lazy edge steak, bro.
Lazy edge steak, what's that?
It's like a half a kilogram steak, or it's a kilogram steak, one of the two. And it
Kilogram
comes on,
steak, bud. Fuck.
and it comes on a hot plate, bro. So it's like still cooking while it's there.
Oh yeah.
And I think you can you say like you like your shit rare, so you say rare, and then when it comes, if it's too rare, you just last it for like a few seconds, bro. And things gonna cook a little bit more for you. So then, if you're doing dinner, you wanna invite the boys. Then see who's gonna show up for
Yeah, we
dinner.
can.
Mm.
Who's the boys? Carl.
Anyone in chat joining us for dinner?
Full through chat.
Who's yeah in chat?
Your
That's one.
Spurs gonna be full, bud.
Yeah, who's yeah, boss? Anyone in chat must come.
Yeah, we're pushing back down here, flipping bearish on the 30-minute and hourly. If we break this current candle low, I'm expecting us to at least fill this 10 pip range here. So I'm gonna have sell stops on the break of the current candle low at 1740, 350. Stops above the previous hourly candle.
What is your sell stop?
1740, 350.
Oh, okay, bet.
Does your MetaTrader on your phone ever not show the numbers on the side, eh?
Yeah, but then I'll just close up and come back in, and then it's there. It's like it lags, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, we see we have no one in chat that's actually from here that can join for dinner. So we're gonna have to phone Carl. How the puss? What's Fabio talking about?
What are you talking about, Fabio? Big
Big
stomach. Oh,
stomach.
he's talking about the kg steak.
I know. Bro, you know what's nice, Connor? Yeah, by the harbor, dude. But I don't even know if they're still open, but they sell a kg of ribs, dude. Oh,
A kg of ribs is chilled because
it's easy to fuck it up.
75% is bone.
Nah, not these ribs. These are lacquer ribs, bro. I'm there for New Year's, Wayne. 29th of December, I'll land in Josie and I'll leave the 3rd. I'm having tiger ass right now. Oh, is that why you think he's so tough, Chad? Tiger ass.
What the hell is tiger ass?
I don't fucking know. KG ribs, yeah, no, very easy to chow, dude. Very easy. That's why you chow it with a milkshake, my friend, because then you're gonna be fucking duck.
This is our coach. That sounds disgusting.
Fucking make me think of a story that happened. Yeah, I'd rather not tell you that story on stream, yeah.
Please no.
No way, you don't want to gym with me, bro. I'm a weak bitch now, my friend. I can't gym heavy, dude. Oh, Spurs onion rings, Connor, with that sauce. Fuck my life.
Ooh.
I
Yeah,
can't
that
wait.
slaps.
Now I'm excited. Spur. Wait, where the fuck is Spur, bro? Hemingways. No. Yes.
Retail.
Oh, yes,
Nah,
they were
Fabio,
retail.
not me. I don't know what these guys talking about. A kg steak. You mad, Nico? I'll never eat that, dude. I'll maybe
I
eat
said-
half. No.
What do you mean? You chow that? Were you full after the steak you ate there by
I
the
thought I
golf?
could eat a lot, bro, but you've opened my eyes that I really can't.
The steak you ate last week, dog. Was that thing?
No, that is like 200 grams.
Yeah, it was
I could eat,
230.
okay, I could eat like 3 of those. I could eat like 3 of those, but a kg, my god, no.
It's just over half a kilogram, my friend. So you're telling me if there's a lakh of kg steak with a lakh of sauce in front of you, my friend, and you just chow it? Nah, Connor, you'll eat that thing, bro.
No, I won't. That steak I had was 200 grams. That's a fifth. I'd have to eat 5 of those things.
You just said you can eat 3 of them.
Yeah, so that's 600 grams.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You can eat more than half a kilo. Now you're telling me you're not going to eat the last 400 gram when you're enjoying that steak. Of course you're going to.
No ways.
Of course.
GJ Souls. Sorry, Nico. GJ Souls. Yeah, I mean, if that's what you want to do, go ahead. But obviously just understand that this is a counter trend trade. And it is coming up into London Open. So you could potentially just get caught in this liquidity grab for price to then move further up. So you need to understand how and why you're executing on this, and understand that you can't really be too greedy with expectations here. Keep targets, 20 pips maybe.
Oh, yeah. Ah, yes.
Where does it all go though? Unless you take like massive. Yes.
Nah, bro, I really don't think a kg of steak is that hectic to eat. No, seems pretty normal.
Normal. Yes. Nico.
Nah, bro, I don't know. Maybe I'm.
Chat, is that normal? Is that normal to eat a kg of steak? That's like one of those challenges, dude, where you go and then you win like a keg of beer afterwards or something if you can finish that thing.
You wanna tell me I can't eat 5 pieces of steak like you ate by the golf?
My friend, you probably could.
That would be a joke, my friend.
Oh, dude, that's gonna be my food for the next day as well.
Breakfast
And lunch, bud.
I really hope Spur has a kg steak, bro. Where's fucking Spur's menu?
Probably gonna delete his source stops, guys. I mean, your 30-minute candle is looking like it'll close bullish. Quite strong as well. Yep. I'm gonna delete these source stops. I like that we created a steeper top wick on the hourly, and then we came all the way back down, flipped bearish. Looked like if we broke those lows, we should have seen some volume to take us down and fill this range for about 10 pips or so. But yeah, we've reacted to this lower time frame support here, had a bounce back up, so we're not breaking those lows. 30 minutes closing bullish. There's no trades here from me.
Listen, so I looked at Spur's menu. The lazy H is not a kilogram, it's a 500 gram, which I'm annoyed.
That's chilled.
Nah, that's cock. So here's the thing.
Order 2 then.
Here's the thing, my friend.
Possible, sure, but not normal, Wayne says.
Bro, that takes 300 rand.
For the 500 gram?
Yes.
Dude,
bro,
why don't we just go to like
let's just buy bro, let's just go buy a steak in fucking Bright, my friend. Because are they retarded? I think I'm gonna pay fucking 300 rand for a 500 gram piece of meat.
I would pay that if it were like a nice
If I
restaurant,
knew,
but Spur,
if
dude,
yes. No, that's what I'm
Spur.
saying. I'm not doing Spur 300 rand for fucking steak, and then it comes just on a fucking grill normal. No,
Probably gonna pay less at Sanook.
and we did. Oh, you did. You took it when you took us for lunch.
Yeah.
Imagine you had to buy 4 steaks. Fucking bill over $1,000 instantly, just for the meal. Nah, fuck Spur, bro. Let's think of a better place to go.
The brews are mad.
Is there no place like that we have here in East London that like we can go have fucking steak? Don't we have a steakhouse or something? We don't, though.
No, we used to have that Buddy's Steakhouse. Yeah, that place slapped. I worked there actually at that restaurant.
Chad's quacked in the head. If you guys are good at golf, do a live while playing it. Fuck off. That's not happening.
Not happening.
Not happening. That's Dwayne and Fabio, not us. And Reese, I think, is also a golfer.
Yeah, Reese, I think he said that he had quite a good handicap actually.
I think he said when he played, he was a 2 handicap at the time. So.
Employee of the month. Yeah, there's lots of variety in Cape Town.
Jesus. Did you read what Wayne said? In Kimberley, we have a place called the Horseshoe, 500-gram T-bone, chips, and a draft for 125. I'll take 4, please. Oh, shot Chef Luke. Jared told me that you wish me, bro. Thank you. I appreciate it so much, man.
Hey, what's up, Luke? We were actually just talking about steaks.
Yeah, Chef Luke, we need you. Fuck no, now I'm hungry, bro. Because I'm thinking of Luke's fucking food.
Do you sell steaks at your place, Luke?
Yeah, probably expensive as fuck ones. Luke's food looks like it's like for the upper class, wealthy people vibe.
Yeah, it's that gourmet kind of
I
vibe.
think I'll have to eat 25 plates of it to be.
It looks good, dude.
Yeah. It's just like people like me can't go eat there, bro. Because like.
You eat the whole restaurant.
A 1 kg tomahawk, bro. How I wish, my friend. How much is it, Luke? Wait,
Hey,
let's see how much.
they do a 1 kg tomahawk.
How much is the 1 kg tomahawk? I want to see how bad it is.
I'm probably gonna have to give him his $100 back for that steak. Yeah, how much is it?
I wonder what the price difference is going to be between that and Spur.
Fuck!
Mother's puss.
I'd rather buy a pair of shoes. Nah, actually, that's an experience though.
Yeah, nah, I'd eat that steak, bro. I'd fuck it up. I don't care. $150, I'll go eat that thing. But fuck me. It's just because it's like, it's that different type of class steak, bro. It's not a Spurs thing.
Yeah, that's bougie shit.
Yeah, no.
Okay, Luke, one day I'm gonna come to your restaurant and I'll order one of those.
Where is Luke again? Australia?
Yeah, I've got family in Australia, so I should come that side.
Yo, bro, I will fucking kill that steak, my friend. But that price is gonna shoot me in my foot, XA. Yes.
Do you do like the whole Salt Bay?
Which is better for future trading, crypto or Forex? Forex. There's not even an argument.
Crypto might just be dead in the next few
Chef
weeks.
Luke,
So
I'm coming to SA for barbecue. When?
pull through, brother.
We bra here, Luke.
Instead of a barbecue, we call it a bra.
You're gonna have to start learning that, Chef Luke.
Ons gaan nou braai.
Oh, Jesus. Look at what they said. Crypto is for kids, like.
No,
With a
but
bottle of... No, Adrian, relax. Chef Luke can't see that side of us. We are professional and decent humans.
we are professional Forex traders.
100%. Next year, September.
Sheesh, okay. No, if you come this side, hit us up.
Nah, definitely, bro. Wherever it's gonna be, maybe we must just make it a trip. Because I mean,
Hey, Luke, do you play golf?
that's still going on. But it's $13 per 1 kg. Yeah, do you see that tomahawk steak?
It's 30 kg. What?
$13 per kg.
That's mad.
Carving range only with beers.
Okay,
And my
nah,
friend,
that's cool. We can do that.
I'll put Carl next to him. Him and Carl can have beers with the carving range.
Yeah. Okay, so yeah, it's 25 minutes until London Open here. We're pulling back a little bit on gold. Still respecting that previous support at 1742, but overall starting to get a little bit choppy. GJ still respecting the support. I would definitely not be looking for sells. Like I say, if we do pull back, or if we do break this support here at 167.950, if we break this support, you know, we could be looking to drive down further here, but I would still be looking for that support to be formed for further buys. Overall, we're very bullish, not interested in sells at all. Safer buys above resistance here. And I think I'm going to call it a day, chat. I've taken one trade here today, managed risk. I think that risk was managed really well, because price is going against that original idea right now. So negative 3 pips for the day. Basically break even, man. Basically break even. So yeah, that's going to be me, chat. Thank you for joining. Beers, no beers. Brandy special. Want to be picked up in our Lambo? We'll have to get it first. Monster money split, bro, with the whole sheep. That actually sounds fun. London didn't even start yet. The thing is, I've already taken a trade here today. I've already taken a trade 1. And 2, we have FOMC meeting minutes tomorrow. Alright, so that's going to hold a lot of weight. We've also got some red folder news for the pound tomorrow. Right now, we've already had a nice move up early in the week. Looking to potentially retrace today. So what am I going to stay here and do? I'm going to either be taking counter trend trades, lower probability trades, or I'm going to be taking trades within a range here on gold with low volume. So to me, yeah, we could obviously have volume come in at London. That is expected, but I've personally taken one trade today, and that's that. You know, I'm gonna call it. No more trades for me for the whole day. I'll be here tomorrow morning. I'll be here a little bit later. I'll start the stream around this time, 9:30. So I'll be here just before London Open, and then also in the evening for FOMC meeting minutes. So I'll see you guys then. System discipline. Oh yeah. Cheers guys. Safe trading.
Yeah.